Hello and welcome to the mp3.Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to strengthen a family by learning together with mp3.Academy. Stay tuned as we explore how your family can strengthen its bond, build useful skills, and create lasting success by learning together. Whether it's about communication, time management, or decision-making, the power of shared learning can really transform your family dynamics. So, let's get started. In today's fast-paced world, families often struggle to find meaningful time together, which can leave members feeling disconnected. But what if there were a way to build stronger connections while also enhancing personal growth? By using mp3.Academy audio products, a family can develop valuable skills in areas like communication, time management, and decision-making, all while learning together. The shared experience of learning with mp3.Academy can strengthen a family's bond and lead to more productive, happier lives. For our complete list of mp3.Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.Academy. In the Shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support mp3.Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, mp3.Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. Imagine each family member listening to the same continuous learning audio modules during their day, whether they're cooking, commuting, or taking a walk. At the end of the week, they can gather to discuss what they've learned. This in-family learning process allows everyone to share insights, develop common goals, and build useful skills together. By doing this, families can transition from public education models to a more private education approach that fosters lifelong learning and supports the family's growth as a whole. One key benefit of learning together is the enhancement of communication skills. When each family member listens to the same educational content, they not only gain knowledge, but also learn how to express that knowledge clearly. Family discussions become more engaging as everyone feels empowered to share their thoughts and opinions. This creates a common ground for deeper conversations, fostering understanding and unity. With mp3.Academy, families can build a foundation of mutual respect, where each member feels heard and valued. Another area that families can improve through mp3.Academy audio modules is time management. Learning how to better organize time and prioritize tasks helps the entire family run more smoothly. Whether it's balancing work, school, or household responsibilities, each family member can apply what they've learned to manage their time more effectively. As a result, family activities become more enjoyable, and there's less stress over deadlines or daily tasks. Families can grow together by adopting smart time management strategies that help everyone thrive. Family decision-making also becomes more collaborative and efficient when all members share the same knowledge base. By learning together, families can develop a common decision-making process that takes everyone's opinions into account. This shared learning experience makes decisions feel more inclusive and less stressful, as each member understands how to contribute in a meaningful way. Working toward common family goals becomes easier when the whole family operates as a united team. The feeling of isolation that sometimes comes with modern life is lessened when families adopt continuous learning as a group. With mp3.Academy, family members won't feel separated anymore as they embark on the same learning journey. Even though they might study individually during the week, the shared discussions that follow bring everyone together, creating a sense of belonging. This kind of family development nurtures a strong sense of unity and shared purpose. Learning together also promotes family legacy building. By discussing topics like self-improvement, well-being, and personal growth, families can pass down valuable lessons to future generations. The knowledge and skills acquired through mp3.Academy become part of the family's culture, contributing to a lasting legacy of growth and resilience. This concept, once reserved for wealthy families, is now accessible to all families who are willing to invest in their future together. Family members also benefit from developing common educational interests, which enhances the feeling of teamwork. As they invest time in listening to mp3.Academy audio modules, they begin to speak the same language. This shared language leads to better cooperation, deeper understanding, and a sense of unity that's hard to achieve through other methods. The ability to learn together, apply knowledge together, and grow together sets the stage for long-term success. Families who commit to gradually but surely self-growth by dedicating time each day to learning will notice significant improvements in their personal and family life. Day by day, week by week, families can build stronger relationships, sharpen their skills, and align their family goals with their actions. This slow and steady approach ensures that the changes they make are sustainable and long-lasting. Finally, this shared educational experience fosters a work-life balance that benefits every family member. By listening, discussing, and practicing the skills learned from mp3 Academy, families can create more harmony in their homes. They become more resilient, adaptable, and better equipped to handle the challenges life throws at them together. So why not start today and invest in your family's future by learning with mp3 Academy? It's a step toward building a better life, one module at a time.